Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to book flight tickets online in Turkish Airlines. So the very first thing that you should do is you just have to open any of your web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Turkish Airlines. Okay, so let me just open a new tab and then type out Turkish Airlines. Okay, this one, and then click on this website. Okay, so after that, you'll be able to see this website. So before booking a flight, of course, the first thing that we are going to do here on the site is to sign up for an account. So just simply click on the sign up option, and then if you already have an account, just have to click on the sign in option. So right here, you just have to type out your first name and then your surname. Just make sure that it is the name as shown on the ID. Okay. Now for the language, I'm just going to select English. And then for the date of birth, I'm just going to select 31. That's right. So just make sure to type out right here the date. So for example, 13 to 1309 2001. And then you have to select your title right here. That's right. And then your contact details. So make sure to select your country. Okay, let me just find my country right here. So just scroll down and then select your country. And then you have to add here your city. And then the zip code or the postal code. Okay, now for your address, you just have to add it right here. And then for your email, make sure that your email is correct so that the booking confirmation will be sent to your email. Okay, so I'm just have my email, and then after that you have to select the area code. So I'm just going to select right here Philippines. Let me just find the Philippines. Next is your mobile number. Okay, 9765345519. And then you have to create your security details. Okay, so I'm just going to tap it right here, my details. Then after that, you have to confirm your password, and then click on the I accept option, and then these three boxes should be checked. And after that, just click on the create your miles and smiles account. Okay, so make sure to tap it right here, password. So your password must be consist of 6 digits, and make sure that the password does not contain 3 consecutive digits. Okay, so make sure to tap it right here, your number. Okay, let me just type it right here, the number. So as you can see, we have successfully created our account. Now let us find our flight ticket. Okay, so right here at the top, you have the flight option, the holidays, the checked in, manage booking, and your flight status. Okay, so right here, you just have to select if it is a round trip ticket that you're looking for, if it is one way, stop over in Istanbul, or multi city. So for this one, I'm just going to select the round trip ticket. Okay, and then first you have to type out right here which location that you are flying from. I'm just going to type out right here, Davao, Philippines, and then select here or type out right here the city that you are flying to. Okay, so here I'm just going to type out Bali, Indonesia. Okay, and then select your available dates. So from maybe August 30 to September 11. Okay, after that, for the passenger details, so we have the cabin and the passenger selection. So we have the economy class and the business class. And then for the number of adult, child, infant, and student, so you just have to add those number right here. And then after that, just click on the search flag. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds, and right here we have the results. So you just have to select if it has an available flight. So as you can see, we do not have any flights on the date and route you have selected, or all our flights are sold out. So we have to change the date and the route for a new flight and search again. So let's go back right here, and then let us try to find another location. Okay, so let's say from Manila, Philippines. Okay, and then going to Turkey. Okay, so let's just find an available flight right here. So I'm just going to select CO destination. I hope we can find one. Okay, so just simply click on it. That's right. And then you have to select your date. So let me just search the flight once again. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds. I hope we can now find an available date for this one. So let me just try again. Okay, so I changed the flight schedule, and then I switched to one-way ticket. Okay, and as you can see right here, we have this result. So all we have to do now is to select if we want to get the economy and the business one. So I'm just going to select the economy, and we have here now the package details. Okay, and then for the flexibility of this booking, we have this options, or we have this details right here. And then for the itinerary details, we have here now the flight details. Okay, so we have about 12 hours and 25 minutes going to Istanbul from Manila. And then on Sunday from Istanbul to um, Istanbul on Monday, we have the 20 hours flight. And then going to Kabul from Istanbul, we have 4 hours and 50 minutes flight. So after that, we can now click on the sea flight prices for this one, and then click on this option at the bottom. Okay, so after that, you just have to click on continue. That's right, and then just wait for a couple of seconds. Okay, so right here you have to put the passenger information, of course. Okay, and then after that, you have to proceed to the next one, which is the additional services. And then the last one is the payment. So you can connect your card, or if they have a choice to book it and then pay later, so you can also choose that one. But I think it's impossible, since this is about booking your flight. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helps solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.